Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
That the lockdown had opened because through the guts people had found out how to come in and get out, and they were already showing this on television. So I don't know what type of lockdown was there after lockdown 2. The lockdown 2, the CM himself used to get ashamed to look at those scenes on Prudent Media. And he would feel, okay, tomorrow morning what should I say? But we missed a trick here. Probably in that lockdown 2, we should have opened up all these community care centers and started these fantastic hospitals for asymptomatics. And thereby the burden on the main ESI hospital would not be there.
Yeah.
We had increased our 100-bedded hospital from 100 to 220, and it was a big load to take. Our problem is only going to be the asymptomatics. The asymptomatics should not land up in the hospital. The asymptomatics should be well, W-E-L-L, well looked after in community care centers, in
And at
COVID
home,
care.
and at home when possible.
At home, you can be looked after, I can be looked after. But people from slum areas cannot be
looked
trusted at home.